Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, uh, so in here we have a special guest from EDN Boarding School. And what is your name?
Okay, my name is Muhammad Aidin Al Hisham. You can call me Hisham.
Can you tell us where you are from and what class are you from?
Okay, I'm from Bogor, and my class,
Yes, sir.
and I from 8A.
Okay. So in here I want to ask about your friendship in EDM. Are you ready?
Inshallah.
Okay. So in 8th grade in EDN boarding school, you already 1 year, right?
Yes, already 1 year.
Okay. So, how many friends have you made?
So many friends I make in this school, especially for 8th grade, because in 7th grade I just some of friends that I talk to him to their yeah. After that, when 8th grade I more talking with the what like the people who well, doesn't have many friends like that.
Uh, Hisham, right? So you have many friends. It's your friends. Most of them is from 7th grade, 9th grade, or 8th grade.
Okay, so my most friend is from the our generation is 8th grade. Yeah, especially in our room. Yeah, my friend.
In 7th grade, you don't have any friend.
I just like have 2 or 3 friends, but how to say what?
That close.
Yes, not close.
So that's your friendship, right? So in EDN, is there a bully when you try to make friends? They don't want to make friends with you. Have that done in your life or no?
If in my in entire my life is what pernah
Never.
is never, but in this when in Aiden boarding school, just some of people, but that's only like 1 weeks or 2 weeks. After that, become a good friends again like that.
Uh, you that mean have get house get fight each other with mouth, right? That's because of what? Because you did something wrong, or because your friend did something wrong?
Of course, my friend did something wrong, so I just fight back like that. Just defense myself.
You ever told this to your parent or your teacher or no?
Just little, just what uh, and sometimes not in every like what calling day like that.
So that mean you have many friends and you not get bully often. Okay. So there is four class, right, in 8th grade.
In 8th grade there is 4 class: 8A, 8B, 8C, and 8D like that.
Because you're from 8A, maybe your friend more in 8A or in other class.
My friend more in 8A, mostly in 8A, but there is two in other class like 8B, 8C, and 8D like that.
Okay. And I want to ask something. Uh, when you with your friend, is there any activity that you do with your friend when weekend, weekdays, or any special event?
Okay, mostly when I'm with my friends that like in weekday the weekday I'm like doing take a bath with my friends, not one bedroom, but just a side like that, or just eating together. That's in the weekday. And what uh, what the name? Uh, what and learning together like that. And when the weekend, I mostly like play for the sports like basketball, football, and others like that, or just talking in the room like that.
So the conclusion is you have a great time with your friend. But do you often see people who get no friends, or yes or no?
If I see uh, there's the people that he don't want like talking with the other friends, but he only silent. Maybe he introvert people. I already what yes try to talk to him, but he doesn't want like only say okay yes he some yes and others like that.
So that means you try to make friends with an introvert guy, but he still don't want you. Uh, and I want to ask another question. In your room, there is how many people?
Okay. So in my room is 4.4 now, and I have a, and complete friends, complete members from the seventh grade is 16 people until eighth grade because in some room there is like change this member like there is one get out get drop out and doesn't feels comfort in IDN so he go out like that so there's many room in my generation in eighth grade that's the members is get apa get out from the IDN because he not feel comfort in IDN.
So Hisham, you already say in your room there is 16 people, right? Okay. From 16, how many you think is your friend? Just be honest.
All all for me all my friends like that but there is some people that I what the name hard to talk to them because they are not what one frequency gitu jadi like hard to talk gitu.
Okay. So Hisham, the conclusion is from Hisham that Hisham can have many friends that support him to the very end, and he always do stuff with his friend like eating, taking, go to mosque or any many. Okay, so and then if you see EDN you can go out from EDN, right? Uh, in Eden there is any event or no? If go out, you go out with friends or with just alone?
If there is a activity that's got up from then like jogging and like susur sungai like that's I'm with my friends just like for buying food or when jogging in the what yeah, like that lah.
That your with with all eight grade or just with your dormitory?
Mostly when I jogging and jogging jogging time that's mostly with uh other rooms too not only my rooms when I jogging like that.
So because you have many friends, so you are one of the chosen one who have many friends, right? I heard in EDN there is activity like competition, teaching. If that with you can pick any friends or what?
If the competition is we are can choose our friends, or if that's from the IDN, that's must what cannot be choose because that's from IDN. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Hisham, for giving us your experience of friendship in your daily lifetime in Indian boarding school. And I think that's all from me and from Hisham. As I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.